All right, what's up, everybody? We're sitting inside of a 2015 BMW 3 Series, taking her for just a quick spin, see how she drives. So this one's available right now at Southern Motor Company. Let us know if you're in the market for something like this. We keep a nice little selection of pre-owned Beamers at the store. And 3 Series, just a good looking car. Nice quality built vehicle. And a lot of people seem to like BMWs here in the Charleston area. You see quite a few of them cruising around on the roads. This one, again, 2015 model, has got around 89,000 miles. And it scoots, it really does. So it's got plenty of power. It does have the sunroof up top, and then this one does have the black ebony leatherette seating. So you got a nice little combination here. So stay with me. We're gonna head back over to the store, Southern Motor Company, and we will hop out here in just a moment and let you see how nice and clean the entire vehicle is. So stay with me. Here we go. All right, everybody. So this one happens to be a BMW 328i in a nice shade of gray. It does have the tinted windows on it. Silver 5-star alloy wheels with BF Goodrich tires in great shape. The exterior body looks good on it. No major dents, no major dings, no major scratches. Kidney grille looks good in the front in black with the chrome trim. There you have it. Just overall, just a good looking car, the 3 Series. I like it, I really do. There you go. Let me know what you think about the 3 Series BMW. Are you a fan of them? Do you like them? Have you owned them before? Or have you always maybe dreamed of seeing yourself riding in something like this? BMW 3 Series also has a decent sized trunk. Well, the car's running, so can't open the trunk just yet. But let's let you, well, let's see here. We'll open up the back here by hitting this button here. Okay, and then we'll make our way back to the rear. There we go. But yeah, very spacious trunk. There's lots of room, of course. Back seats do fold down as well if need be. Very clean. I like how the black trim is right here on it with the gray and the dark tinted windows. Really nice. A lot of cars have chrome going around, so I like to see the black. A little bit different, you know? And it really kind of flows nicely with the black interior. You got a center armrest there with cup holders. Also, I like how you got rear air vents in the back, and you can actually change the temperature back here. Look at that, that's pretty cool. And you got a little 12-volt outlet and a pretty decent amount of space of leg room. Again, if you need a bunch of room in the back, you may need to bump up to a 5 Series or a 7 Series, but the 3 Series seems to get the job done for most folks. There's the front seats, the sunroof. Does have the automatic transmission and all that good stuff. Dual climate control. Got a nice little screen there for you. So not bad at all. And like I said earlier, 89,000 miles. All right, if this is something you're looking for, come on down and see us at Southern Motor Company. I'd love to help you with getting it. Make sure you continue to look at cars on our website, Facebook, and on YouTube. Thanks again, guys. My name's Chad. If you want to do business with me, right here at Southern Motor Company.